Let's learn A to Z tools name. A. Axe. Axe. B. Bolt cutter. Bolt cutter. C. Crowbar. Crowbar. D. Die. Die. E. Envelope opener. Envelope opener. F. Funnel. Funnel. G. Gravity grappling hook. Gravity grappling hook. H. Hand drill. Hand drill. I. Inspection mirror. Inspection mirror. J. Jack. Jack. K. Knife. Knife. L. Lug wrench. Lug wrench. M. Mattock. Mattock. N. Nail nipper. Nail nipper. O. Oil filter strap wrench. Oil filter strap wrench. P. Pincers. Pincers. Q. Quick clamp. Quick clamp. R. Rake. Rake. S. Sickle. Sickle. T. Trowel. Trowel. U. Upholstery tack hammer. Upholstery tack hammer. V. Wise grips. Wise grips. W. Wire stripper. Wire stripper. X. X-acto knife. X-acto knife. Y. Yoke vise. Yoke vise. Z. Zip ties. Zip ties. Thanks for watching.